Welcome to Steele Hyundai, 3625 Kempt Road, Halifax. We're looking forward to continuing our relationship with you by providing regularly scheduled service for your vehicle. Our trained technicians have spent countless hours perfecting their craft and are confident in their abilities to maintain your vehicle in tip-top condition. Enjoy a contactless service experience with us whether you're dropping off your vehicle for the day, or if you decide to wait with us, avail yourself of our comfortable client lounge with Wi-Fi access, entertainment center, and refreshments. We will also arrange transportation between home and office in the HRM. When you arrive for your service appointment at our dealership, follow the arrows to the service drive-through door. Your service experience begins immediately. As you enter the service bay area, your vehicle will receive an automatic wheel alignment check. Once inside, proceed to the service counter where you'll be greeted by one of our friendly service advisors. Your vehicle will be sanitized at all touch points on drop-off and again prior to pickup. We will protect your vehicle with seat covers and floor mats prior to entering our shop. Here is where we perform our maintenance and repair work to your vehicle. Our factory-trained technicians are skilled to work on all makes and models. Trust them to keep yours in tip-top condition. For your convenience, we have an early bird drop-off location adjacent to our service department. Simply arrange your service appointment, park your vehicle after hours, complete the service provider envelope, seal your keys inside, and drop it through the mail slot. Your service advisor will be sure to get it first thing in the morning and proceed with your service as arranged. Another exclusive feature we provide is our in-bay service videos, where we pull back the curtains and show you exactly what's happening with your vehicle, under the hood, behind the wheels, and the undercarriage. We would like to thank you for choosing Steele Auto as your automotive dealership and Steele Hyundai for your vehicle selection. Enjoy your vehicle. We're looking forward to seeing you for your first regularly scheduled maintenance appointment. Thank you. We're Steele Hyundai, 3625 Kempt Road, Halifax.